valuable Latinos up for voting this year in this presidential cycle. The largest ethnic minority in this country, expected to exceed African Americans even voting. Both campaigns have.
Most of the vote, for instance, in South County, right on the border, this is just one example of what I've seen down here counted. Biden leading by 8 points. What was this in 2016? Oh,
back to America. Rebuild the idea of America. We need to get back to the people who built this land, who this land belongs to. The people who are to this day still building this land.
We've just got over a quarter of the vote in, and this is too early to call in terms of NBC's projection.
This feels a lot like 2018. Look at what the margins are, how they're shifting. How they're shifting.
Elections are taking place in the midst of this massive, lethal pandemic, which has been especially harmful for certain populations here.
To see the close margins in so many states tells you that you're talking about neighbors, families that are so deeply split. Most people, even Democrats, fear radical change. Do you really want to tamper with the formula?
We wanted to see a repudiation of this direction for the country. And the fact that it's this close, I think, it just hurts.
There is no way Pennsylvania is announcing a winner on election night. On election night.
Radical change. Families that are so deeply split.
It just hurts.
For these legal challenges, we are headed for more divisions and actually probably a pretty dangerous period for the country.